Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to enter a journal in Xero. This is an essential skill for recording financial transactions that don't fit into standard categories, like adjusting entries or corrections. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Xero.com. This will take you to the Xero login page where you can access your accounting dashboard. Once you're there, log into your Xero account using your registered email and password. Make sure you have your credentials ready to avoid any delays in getting started. After logging in successfully, you'll land on your Xero dashboard. Now locate the plus button at the top right part of your screen. This button is your gateway to creating new transactions and entries within Xero. Click on it and a drop-down selection will appear with various options for different types of entries you can create. From this menu, select Manual Journal. This option allows you to manually record transactions that require specific accounting treatment. You'll be directed to the journal entry page where you'll be required to enter information in each field to complete your journal. This page is structured to capture all the necessary details for your accounting records, so take your time filling it out accurately. Start with the narration field. This typically is the item or indicator that is added automatically on your item line, but you can customize it to reflect what this journal entry represents. Then enter a date for when this transaction occurred or should be recorded. This date is important for maintaining accurate financial records and reporting. Now move to the description field. You can either use the narration entry as your description for this journal or write something more detailed that explains the purpose of this entry. Next, add an account associated with this transaction. This could be an expense account, revenue account, asset account, or any other relevant category from your chart of accounts. After selecting the account, choose the appropriate tax rate from the drop-down menu. You'll also see a region field which is optional, so you can fill this in if it's relevant to your transaction. Finally, enter the amount in the debit or credit column in USD depending on whether you're increasing or decreasing the account. Before you finalize anything, make sure to match the transaction cost. This means your debits and credits must equal each other, as this is a fundamental rule of double entry bookkeeping. Xero will typically show you if your journal is balanced. Once you've verified that everything is configured correctly, click on the Post button to add this manual journal to your accounts. Your journal entry is now recorded and will appear in your financial reports. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.